Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you a trick that'll help your Samsung ice maker drain better. Let's get started. If you have a direct cool Samsung ice maker with the cooling loop on the bottom, you want to make sure that the refrigerator is tilted slightly towards the rear so the water drains down properly towards the back of the refrigerator. Using a level, we'll show you how to check and adjust the level of your fridge. Start by setting the level on top of your fridge. If the bubble's in the center or towards the rear of the fridge, you'll need to raise the front of the fridge just enough so that the bubble touches the line on the front side of the fridge. Using a channel lock pliers, we'll adjust the two leveling legs to raise the front of the fridge. Continue turning the leveling legs until the bubble touches the line towards the front of the fridge. Let us know in the comments below if this tip helped your ice maker from freezing up, and if not, check out our links in the description below for some other helpful tips. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.